My people, as me sit down outside here in a bright sun a bun me kin, me couldn't help go down a memory lane, you know. Growing up in a country back in the day was a different kind of sweet. One where you can't buy in a supermarket or find on social media. A pure natural joy, man. No fancy gadget, no internet, no AC, just cool natural breeze, barefoot adventures all over the place, and your belly a bust with laughter. Me remember when me wake up early, it was not to no alarm clock, but to the sound of a rooster crow and pot cover and knock in a kitchen. Them the time that your granny done their kitchen long time, fire blaze under a Dutch pot and tea already a draw. Bush tea will clear every sinus and fix any belly pain where you have. Bathing time was never always mean that we are going on a bathroom. Sometime I down by the river or out a back. We are in our enamel basin or even in our wash pan. You catch some water from the drum for bathe. Or if rain a fall, you run out the soap up your kin fast and make your rainwater wash you off. Every little thing was a big excitement. Climbing the mango tree and thief the sweetest mango, whether it be Julie, East Indian, or Blackie or Millie. Oh my gosh, we play dandy shandy till we skin scrape off. We make gig with nail and piece of thick. And when evening come, you better reach home before your granny call you. Full name, first, middle, and last name. You know say trouble there, you know. Trouble there when you hear all three name call. And then when night time come, you think say no TV there if you watch. No cable no there. It's story time pan veranda with high lamp or candle light, the sweet home sweet lamp. Big people chat and laugh about long time days, and we picnic sit and soak up every word. We eyes them wide open like we are watch movie. Sometimes me shut me eye and me can still smell the wood fire, hear the crickets and feel the cool breeze that blow through the window. Me miss them days there, you know, when love was simple, community was strong, and life did feel full, no stress, no headache. Even when we pocket did empty. Yeah, man. Country life back in the day was good. Drop a line below my people. And make me hear for no memories, man. Make me hear for no memories. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night. In which part of the world you know there.